Alrighty, when you're sick or have some aches, drugs are not the only option for you. Here with some alternative healing methods is Dr. John Haase. Thank you so much for joining us, and it's Haase, isn't it?
Haase.
Haase. Okay. Well, third time's a charm. Thank you for joining us. You've already got me hooked up. Maybe that's what's got me a little bit nervous. And talk to me a little bit first about what kind of alternative healing you're going to be showing us today.
Well, this is a TENS unit, and it delivers an electrical stimulation into different tissues in your body. Different tissues respond differently, so I've set it actually to make your muscles move. We haven't turned it on yet, so it is a little bit of a jump, and I'm going to do that now, and then we'll talk about why we use this in the office in a second. Can you feel that yet?
No. Ooh, yep. Yeah. Ooh,
so you can see your thumb moving, and I'm going to increase the pulse rate, and you can see it go faster and faster and faster, and so we can use this either to fatigue the muscle, or we can use this actually set the pulse rate differently to affect the nerves, and that's why we primarily use it in order to decrease pain. We can stop pain by using an electrical carpal tunnel pain, pain in your neck, pain in your low back. So people will wear this all day long and put the wires inside their shirt, and so people can't see it, and they'll wear it all night long, and it's quite effective. We use it quite a bit in our traumatic cases or acute pain or chronic pain cases.
So where you have it placed on me now, what is that affecting?
I just put it to stimulate the thumb muscle, so for demonstration purposes.
Oh, okay,
but we put it across a different area to be able to affect a change in the muscle and nerves going to that part. And so,
how much of a rate of recovery can you have with this?
Well, this is generally for pain control instead of really rehabilitation. Our larger machines in the office, which are more effective in going through the skin's natural resistance or impedance, will affect a certain recovery rate, but this is primarily for pain control.
Okay, now we also have water pillows here. Now, is this just what it says? It's a water pillow?
Well, indeed, we have about over 2 quarts of water in the pillow that you're looking at. A lot of people start with a neck brace, which is very stiff, and hold their neck very solidly, but that pillow is orthopedically designed to keep your neck in a perfect shape, which reduces pain. It also allows for great comfort, and so you can sleep through the night. You know, your neck will have a natural curve about like this, so you can, it absorbs shock as you go down the road, and if you have a serious injury, the ligaments will become sloppy or actually torn, and your neck will become stiff or straight. Well, this pillow will hold your neck in a perfect position.
We have this picture. Is this something that you wanted to refer to as well?
Well, this is, if we could quickly look at this, this is an MRI of one of my patients, and you can see that bulge right there where it's sitting right on the spinal cord. Now, if that neck is not in the proper position, then you'll have a lot of pain in any type of activity. But if we can cradle the neck in a perfect position, then you'll decrease the pain. This is a cutaway of the water pillow. You can see that this fiber stops cold. It's like one of those space blankets. Then you have the water, and then you have the cushioning. Now, the effect is that, you know, on a normal, say, a feather pillow, you can bunch it up, and it's just right. But you have to keep bunching it up and bunching it up. Also, eventually, there's a lot of dust mites in it. Half the weight of a feather pillow in 3 years is dust mites. You probably know.
I didn't.
Well, this is all synthetic fiber, and you don't have to bunch this, and it keeps your head cradled perfectly so you can maintain that nice curve. Even if you're on your side, a lot of people tuck their chin. Well, that's hard on your neck, too. This will keep you in a perfect posture, and so people just love, love, love these pillows.
So good even if you don't have neck or back problems right now.
Fantastic.
A great option for sleeping. How much does this cost?
Well, normally they retail for $65 to $75. In our office, we just try to make it available to our patients, so we sell it for $55.
And the doctor is from Walnut Grove Chiropractic. If you have any additional questions, you can head to our web channel. There's his address and everything right there. And doctor, thank you so much for coming on.
Thanks a lot, Chris.
Great advice.
Thank you for being a good patient.
And the time is 8:43, almost 8:44, and keep it here. We will be right back.